little too much inside rein. So shoulder in again, and then you're gonna add A, center line, and then half pass left. Turn your shoulders, left leg, right rein, flex left, good. Good, now right leg back, right rein, half pass. Flex left. That wasn't bad, do that again. That was not a bad half pass, that was pretty good. Good boy. Change direction.